G'day YouTube, how you going? Just a bit something different. It's been a fairly long time since I've done a video, and now at the moment that we're all in lockdown, just on that I'm on days off. I'm in a essential service type of job, but I'm stuck where I am at the moment. I can't go to my house or down the block or anything, so I thought I'd buy some new tools for the next trip down so I can do a bit of work while I'm down there. So I've got myself a pole saw, eBay job from Giantz. Seems to be pretty okay sort of quality. I have assembled the bar and chain and put bar oil and stuff in it ready to go. I'm not going to bore you with a unboxing video or a assembly video or anything, but basically this thing comes with a strap. That's the main unit. You can get these with options of a hedge trimmer and whippersnipper as well. But I think that's like an extra $100 odd or something compared to what this was. Comes with 3 extension poles. Seems fairly well made. I haven't run it yet, but I have put the handle on, put the strap on, assembled the bar and chain, greased up the gearbox, put bar oil into it, so it's pretty much ready to go. It does come with this little fuel mixing bottle, but it almost looks like it would dissolve if you actually put any fuel in it, so that's going to go in the bin. Comes with some knitted one size fits all type gloves, and I have tried them on and they just fit my hands, but fairly cheap. Came with a really cheap and nasty pair of safety glasses, which is probably better than nothing, but I've got a face mask, so I'm not going to worry about that too much. Also comes with a really cheap pair of Chinese earmuffs. I suppose if you had nothing else, then they'd be better than nothing at all, but I've got some fairly good quality 3M earmuffs that I'll be using. It also comes with this toolkit. It's got a plug spanner with a Phillips head screwdriver on the end of it. Comes with this really small dinky blade screwdriver, and that's to adjust your chain tension, but I'm not sure why they don't let you have the blade screwdriver on the end of your T-spanner, because normally when you get a chainsaw it's got the blade screwdriver instead of the Phillips head. So that'll go in the bin, and I'll get a half decent blade screwdriver. I think I've got one sitting around somewhere. Comes with this small 8mm and 10mm spanner for tightening up your bar chain. Not sure what else it's for, but the only bolt that there is, or nut that there is on the actual bar itself. And it comes with 2 Allen keys for tightening up all the cap head bolts that are everywhere on this, and there's 2 different sizes, as there's 2 different size sets of cap head bolts. I'm just about to fuel this up and give it a run. I've got a tree at the front that I want to trim a couple of dead branches off just to give it a go, and I'll might video that, and we'll see how we go. So stay tuned. So I've chucked some fuel in it, and I've got the chain guard off, ready to start it, and I'll See how this thing goes. How easy it is to start. I've just got a couple of little, not huge branches, just a couple of sticks basically. But I parked my car under that tree. I just don't want those dead sticks to fall on it. Not much of a demonstration, but seems to work okay. So, like I said, when I get back down the block, I'll fire this up in anger and give it a good test run, and then I'll let you know how it goes. Right, YouTube, thanks for watching. Catch you later.